And this is very helpful for patients who do not have a blood group.
First time in Vizag or divided Andhra Pradesh different blood groups ఉన్న వ్యక్తులకి కిడ్నీ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ జరిగింది. అది సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఈరోజు మీతో స్టోరీస్ షేర్ చేసుకుందామని అందరినీ కలవాలి. సాధారణంగా ఏంటంటే సేమ్ బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళతోనే ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి దీనివల్ల ఇబ్బందులు ఏంటంటే మనకి డోనర్స్ తక్కువ అవ్వడం, దాంతో పేషెంట్లు ఎక్కువ కాలం డయాలసిస్ మీద వాటి మీద ఉండిపోవడం, తర్వాత డయాలసిస్ తాలూకా ఎఫెక్ట్స్ రావడం పేషెంట్. ఈ ప్రొసీజర్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏంటంటే వివిధ రకాల బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్లు ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా మనం కొంత ముందు ప్రొసీజర్ చేసి వాళ్ళని రెడీ చేసి వాటితో వేరే గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళతో ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంట్ చేయడం వల్ల పేషెంట్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా డయాలసిస్ అవసరం లేకుండా జీవితం గడపడానికి చేస్తాం.
So I am very happy to share you that we have done a successful ABM compatible renal transplantation in Manipal Hospital, and this is also the first case in Andhra Pradesh also, the divided state. So this patient by name Satyababu came to us almost 4 months back, and when we have evaluated him, he was found to have end-stage renal disease with both his kidneys have been chronically damaged. So almost 90% of the kidney has been damaged, and where only the best option for it was renal transplantation. So when we explained regarding the options of this renal transplantation, and when we counseled regarding the family members regarding the option of renal transplantation, the family members have come forward for this as a prospective donors. So both mother as well as both his sisters and wife were willing to give a kidney. But in this transplantation, the main problem here was a blood group match donor should be available. Here our patient was O positive, so the donor should be only O positive or O negative. But however, when we screened the family members, it was found there were no blood group match donors in the family members. So then we explained for the family members regarding this option of ABM compatibility transplantation, which is an option which is recently upcoming in our India. Since last 3 or 4 years in India it is going on. So for which they are accepted for this transplantation. So we used almost 2 filters for the patient and certain medications and this one. So approximately it is around 8 to 10 lakhs cost out. But it can vary from patient to patient, because some patient might require also 1 filter, some patient might require 3 to 4 filters. And this each filter usually costs 2.65 lakhs because of the service taxes and because these are not manufactured in India.